I'm gonna attempt to fix my Sequoia 2001 door latch. You can see it's broken right there, so that little piece right there, kind of hard to tell, but that should have one of these two on it. I found these in the bottom of my Sequoia that I have bought just a couple months ago, so it had already broken once and then it broke again on me. So what I'm going to attempt to do is solder this piece onto there, right there, instead of spending the 70 bucks to get a new one. So we'll see how it goes. Alright, so here is what I finally ended with. After trying super glue and plastic, I ended up taking my soldering stick there, soldering iron, jamming it in through the plastic all the way through pretty much, and it was about the same size hole as this screw, and I screwed that all the way in. And then I took the plastic, I had broken some off, took that and actually wrapped it around the screw. Seems to be pretty good in place. Now it kind of rubs wrong on the latch there, so it scratches it. But you could put some plastic. I might try and put some electrical tape. But it works. And I think it's going to be pretty sturdy, probably sturdier than any plastic piece you'd be able to buy. So I'm going to put this in. I got a soccer game to go to, so this is going to have to do for now.